Hi everyone, welcome back to our third and final art video for this lesson. So, I just finished cutting out my top of my tree. I have my tree trunk, and then you need a glue stick. Now, we're going to need to put quite a bit of glue on the back of our hand so that it will stick to our tree because we're going to be gluing it to color crayon. So, I'm going to go ahead and move my tree topper out of the way. I am going to stick a piece of white paper underneath my hand so that I don't end up with glue all over my table. One less thing for me to clean up. I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to go over the palm and each of the fingers with glue. Now you want to make sure you get your glue all the way to the edges, which is why I'm using that piece of paper underneath, because I wanted to make sure I could get all the way to the edges of my fingers. All the way to those edges. We want to make sure we get all of those fingers covered, all of your thumb covered, all of the palm of your hand covered. Stop at your wrist. We don't want to go any further than that because we don't want, that's part of the trunk of our tree, not the branches. So, I now have my hand coated on the back. I'm going to move my extra piece of paper that I was using so I didn't glue all over my table. Stick my tree part back on. I'm going to turn my hand over. And I'm going to place it kind of in the middle so that we have balance. We want to have about the same amount of stuff on this side as we do on this side. So I'm going to stick it there, and then I'm just going to rub my fingers down, push them down, make sure they stick. And there we have our fall tree. So our fall tree ties together texture of our bark with patterns and repetition in our leaves. Last thing you need to do for me, take a picture of your tree. You're going to stick it in your assignment and you're going to turn it in. Make sure you watch for that animation so that you can make sure it's there. If you don't see that animation, that means I did not get it turned into me. So I can't wait to see your trees. I miss you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.